everyone, hope you are all doing great and welcome back to my channel. Here I am with another video, and in today's video I'll be doing model makeover. This video was suggested by my Dee, like she told me to try this on, and so I watched this video and I was like, let's give it a try. And in this video the girl have shown some tricks to for model makeovers, and one girl is following the same and it turns out a bliss. So let me try it on myself, and I will tell you guys if it is a bliss or it is just fake. So let's just move on into this video.
Fendi and Madonna, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, I ain't.
So firstly, in the video it is said that to conceal few areas of the face, which includes this and maybe this and this. So with my Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade Warm Sand, I will be concealing these areas. I have to bronze my area, like upwards, in the upwards direction. So I'm done bronzing my cheeks. Next is nose contour. So okay, this is really the first time I'm contouring my nose, so I don't know how I will do it. I now saw to bake those areas which I forgot, so I'll do it now. So I've contoured my nose area also, and also the cheekbones. Till now I've understood this, that it is giving like a lifted look toward upwards, and let's see what's next. Adding her highlighter on the nose, and also I guess she have put some blush on the cheeks, so I will do it. So I will not do anything with my brows. Moving next to eye part, she told to keep eyes very neutral and smoky. So I have that look, maybe. Let me do that look. So my eye part is done. It is kinda smoky and also very neutral at the same time. So I guess I did a great job in the eyes. And now I have to just add the lipstick. Let me do my hair and comb. So this was the final makeover. I'm really loving this makeover, how it turned out and how it is looking, especially the eye part. I really didn't expect it to be this beautiful. And also thank you Dee for suggesting me this video. If you guys want to share some makeup looks you want me to recreate, then do share it with me on my Instagram handle. I'll be doing that very soon. My Instagram handle is in the description. Go and check it out. Go and follow my Instagram for latest updates. So talking about the tricks, I guess the tricks were handy, it sort of worked for me. And I never contoured my nose. This was the first time, so I don't know I have did a great job or a okay job. I guess I did a okay job in the nose contouring. And I will also come up with new videos very soon, guys. Till then, bye bye.